Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Herb scissors. 2025 new high-quality herb cutting scissors with 5 stainless steel blades. The herb shear set contains a safety cover and a comb for cleaning. The 5-blade design increases your productivity by 4 times. The handle is made of PP plus TPR soft rubber, comfortable and non-slip. Can use dishwasher to clean, but hand wash is recommended. Comfortable soft grip TPR handle. Designed with a non-slip TPR handle to reduce hand fatigue and ensure a secure grip during extended use. Shop with confidence. 30-day money-back guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. Electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation, smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends. Suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. Power source. Requires 4x alkaline batteries, not included. For best performance, use fresh alkaline batteries. Instant read meat thermometer. 2.0 inches large auto-rotating backlit display. Candy thermometer has a 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer perfect for left-hand users and allows you to use it in low light conditions. Motion sensing sleep wake. Directly turns on and off by the probe opens or closes. Instantly wakes when picked up the digital food thermometer and sleeps when set down to save battery power. Up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with highly accurate to plus or minus 0.9. Instant read meat thermometer features 4.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe. Suitable for measure any type of food temp with the cooking thermometer. Lock and calibration. Instant read food thermometer features lock function to lock the temperature on the display, so you can read temp away from the heat. Keep your temperature probe always accurate through calibration function. Food Saver Vacuum Sealer. 80 kilopascal suction power. Updated vacuum sealer uses a DC motor pump with electromagnetic perm and pure copper core to enhance its suction power. It sucks all air out tightly to preserve your meat and vegetables for 10 times longer or more to prevent oxidation. Works with more food types. Updated version has a moist mode that removes liquids, as much as 10 milliliters, from your meat or fish and gives it a tight seal. Dry mode to work with food without water. Vac Pulse allows you to control how much you want to vacuum, such as for marinated meat with juice without sucking liquids out. Seal mode to seal snack leftovers. Vacuum hose included to vacuum storage jars and wine bottles. Megawise quality and support. Megawise designs and makes product with the methodology of lean for delivering the best quality to you. And in the event of any problem, you can contact the friendly 24/7 live chat support team of Megawise. Silicone baking mats. Food-grade quality. Silicone baking mats are made of pliable food-grade silicone, BPA-free. Baking mats ensures that the food is heated evenly. Silicone mats for baking are heat-resistant, with a range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Care instructions. For optimal results, we recommend boiling the mats in water for 10 minutes before first use. If you are sensitive to the initial scent of new products, you can also place it in the oven at 392 degrees Fahrenheit - 428 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius - 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Non-stick surface. There is no need to grease the silicone baking sheet when using it, and even the dough is less likely to stick to the silicone baking sheets for oven. Each baking mat is 0.03 inches thick, double thickness for durability. Easy to clean. You can simply wipe the surface of the silicone mat for baking with a damp soapy sponge and rinse it off. The baking mat is also dishwasher safe. Save time and effort by eliminating the need for parchment paper to clean silicone baking sheets. Box grater. High-quality stainless steel. This box grater is constructed from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel. It allows for easy, mess-free grating of cheeses, vegetables, and more. It also features a stainless steel top handle for superior comfort. 4 different grating patterns. The grater features 3 grating surfaces and 1 slicing blade. Fine blade, medium, coarse blade, slicing blade. Includes storage container. A 3-cup container fits inside the box grater to catch the grated or sliced food, allowing for easy storage. Capacity markings on container. The container has capacity markings of 1/2 cup, 1 cup, 1.5 cup, and 2 cup, allowing for precise grating measurements for any recipe. Dishwasher safe. Dishwasher safe for fast and easy cleanup. 1-year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited. Knife sharpener. 3-step knife sharpener. With our incredible 3-slot system, we're revolutionizing the art of knife sharpening. The first diamond sharpening rod repairs and straightens damaged blades before the second slot sharpens to restore its V-shape. Finally, the third slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. Easy to use. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle allows you to restore your cooking knives in a matter of seconds. Simply place the blade in each of the slots and gently pull the knife through a few times for fast, effective sharpening. Cut-resistant glove included. At Kitchellance, we put the safety of our customers above all else. Designed with a non-slip base, our kitchen knife sharpener offers comfortable control while you work. We're even including a cut-resistant glove for added safety. Sponge holder. Stainless steel. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily sink caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Electric fondue pot. Versatile fondue experience. Enjoy a wide variety of fondue recipes with our electric fondue pot set. Create delicious desserts or savory appetizers with ease, making it an ideal choice for entertaining guests or spending quality time with family. All-inclusive set. This set has everything you need for a successful fondue night, including 6 color-coded fondue forks, a support ring, and a 1.5-quart electric fondue pot. Safe and convenient. Keep fondues at the ideal temperature by adjusting the blue-lit temperature control dial. Use the Cool Touch side handles for safe and easy handling while moving the removable fondue pot. Salad spinner. Quick, convenient. Generous 5-quart capacity allows for larger batches of salad preparation. Wash and spin-dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables effortlessly. User-friendly. The easy-to-use spin knob on the lettuce spinner allows for quick and efficient action. Conveniently add and drain water to the washing bowl without the need to remove the securely locking lid. Safety stability. Non-skid base keeps the spinner bowl stable and prevents any unwanted movement and mess when prepping salads. Versatile spinner bowl. The clear washing bowl doubles as a serving bowl when the strainer is removed, adding versatility to your kitchen tools. Generous lifetime warranty. Backed by a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing long-lasting performance and customer satisfaction.